Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe ScoopFree Automatic. This device is the little brother to the ScoopFree Ultra, and there are only 3 differences between the two. Firstly, with the ScoopFree Automatic, the cleaning cycle commences after 20 minutes, and there is no option to change this. If your cat's waste is particularly offensive smelling, you may find this duration a little long, but there's always a button you can press to start the process immediately. Secondly, this model has no health tracker to count how often it's used. We find this feature useful for monitoring the health and habits of your kitty, as well as prompting you to change the litter. Finally, this option does not have a privacy hood like the Ultra does. In terms of waste removal, this ScoopFree Automatic is identical to our best overall pick, the ScoopFree Ultra. Both offer a highly significant reduction in waste removal, even when compared to the very best manual self-clean options, which still require daily attention. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Box. This litter box comes with 3 pans, 1 sifting option, and 2 standard pans. You fill 1 pan with litter, and after your cat has done their business, you pour the contents of the dirty pan into the empty pan, with the sifting tray placed inside. You then simply lift the sifting tray out of the second pan, and you're left with clumps of soiled litter to dispose of. Most litter types can be used, and this is one of the few products reviewed that does not require clumping litter. We consider this to be a big advantage, especially for owners of fussy cats who are prone to go elsewhere with the slightest of changes. At number 3, we have the SpeedySift V1 Open Top Litter Box Starter Kit. Like the PetMate sifting tray, SpeedySift also requires sifting to sort the litter from the poop, but rather than plastic trays, it uses disposable liners within a high-walled plastic box. The holes in the sifting liners are designed as an offset array between layers, meaning if your cat catches a claw in one of the holes, it only tears through one liner, and not the whole stack. While there's no scooping required, you'll need to remove the waste manually as often as necessary. More likely than not, this will be daily. Still, the liners make this a breeze, and it's significantly quicker than manually scooping. As well as being much quieter than automatic options, the unique stacked liner sifting design also makes this quieter than sifting plastic trays. If you're looking for a quiet manual option, this wins out over the PetMate sifting pan. At number 2, we have the CatGenie self-washing, self-flushing cat box. The CatGenie works more like a regular toilet than a litter box, a fact that's reflected in its premium cost. It needs to be hooked up to cold water and an electric outlet as it liquefies solid waste, flushes it, and then decontaminates the bowl automatically. CatGenie is the only litter box system available that doesn't require any manual waste removal. It self-flushes, self-cleans, and then self-dries. Impressive stuff. In terms of waste removal, no other product we've reviewed comes close. The CatGenie is more like an electrical appliance than a litter box, and this is reflected in the loud sound of clunking, clanging, and swirling during use. As the most likely location for installation is a bathroom or laundry room, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. And finally, at number 1, we have the LitterMaid Single Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The LitterMaid Single Cat's carbon filter does a phenomenal job of controlling foul odor, meaning you only need to remove waste every 5+ days. This litter box automatically rakes itself after every use, and a waste receptacle and carbon filter keep the odor contained until it's ready to be emptied. Cleaning starts after 20 minutes after use, similar to the ScoopFree Ultra. This box is advertised to last up to 7 days before waste removal, but 5 days is more realistic. Still, we consider this to be a top-performing device in this category. The LitterMaid Single Cat is on the small side and is not suitable for larger cats. Think those close to 15 pounds. Or multi-cat homes. Thankfully, LitterMaid does offer a multi-cat option, which also makes our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.